Hotwav is a smart developer of rugged devices to support your outdoor life. Meanwhile, the brand has utilized the stage to reveal another competent rugged phone called T5 Pro. It is a great development both in terms of appearance, construction, and technical configurations. This video is to confabulate on the Hotwav T5 Pro review to uncover its noticeable capabilities and weaknesses. It is no doubt that the significance of rugged smartphone devices has been promoted impeccably in the modern age. Individuals looking for a piece with dexterity and toughness to withstand harsh outdoor environments and unfavorable temperatures. That's why we have markets flooded with countless rugged smartphone manufacturers, suppliers, and distributors across the planet. The China-based Hotwav is one of them, with an intention to produce extraordinary tools for the overall wellness of users. A couple of months ago, the Chinese smartphone maker Hotwav released T5 Pro to diversify the range of potent rugged devices for users. The 4G smartphone manifests intelligent craftsmanship in terms of physical build, and looks more efficient than previous iterations with high-performance configurations. The handset carries all that an adventure lover requires to meet their outdoor needs like a pro. Given the specs sheet, it is safe to say that Hotwav's latest rugged device is unlikely to fail while confronting challenging situations outdoors. Enthusiasts will have a memorable time with the handset, since it is developed to face harsh situations and add to your style concurrently. It is an exceptional approach to go through the highlights of the device before you end up with a specific buying decision. Make sure to scan the following headings to go through every single detail of the sturdy handset. Let's move. Inarguably, rugged smartphones always present an astounding appearance of physical construction. Unlike regular mobile phones, rugged devices are developed with specific intentions, and a sturdy build is also one of the key elements to make the difference. In the case of T5 Pro, Hotwav also has endeavored well to achieve the proposed look. The back of the device features a dual-cam system along with a fingerprint scanner. The appearance looks captivating with high-grade materials. On the front, the handset boasts a 6.0-inch display and a 5-megapixel shooter on the top. The body is MIL STD810H, certified to offer military-grade durability. Also, it gains IP68 and IP69K water-resistant appearance. Hotwav provides the handset in two color options, gray and orange. Hotwav T5 Pro rugged smartphone reflects a 6.0-inch HD display with a water-drop notch style. It offers 960 by 480p resolution and 380 nits of brightness. You will have an eye protection mode and a full-fit module to enjoy a more immersive visual experience. Moreover, the HD display also promises to deliver a clear, brighter and sharper presentation of data across all scenarios. The software department of the latest Hotwav T5 Pro rugged smartphone adopts the modern age OS to proceed with the performance. Like many other contemporary devices, T5 Pro also runs Android 12 OS with a higher safety factor that will serve you with more experience and more functions with smoother navigation and user interface. With the zone of processing, the new rugged smartphone integrates the MediaTek Helio A22 Montana 6761 4-core processor. It is a chipset with 12nm process technology and up to 2.0 GHz frequency. Therefore, it is all set to satiate your daily work and entertainment without observing any lag across heavy profiles. Storage space is drastically required to store data like photos, videos, and other stuff. The new T5 Pro brings 32 gigs of internal memory for users to let them enjoy freedom. Likewise, the 4 gigs of RAM look stunning when it comes to supporting the performance. Gaming will be more enjoyable with efficient RAM consideration. With the T5 Pro device, users will never miss capturing wonderful moments, thanks to high-quality shooting lenses adjusted on both sides. Photography will be more fun and joy with a 13-megapixel Samsung camera in the lead role, along with a 2-megapixel portrait scanner. Also, a double flash integration is placed to support the caption. You'll have great selfies and video chatting with knowns via 5-megapixels AI selfie camera. With an f2.4 aperture, person will never miss wonderful details. This is, of course, the top area rugged smartphone users might consider with priority. Hotwav also has done an appreciable job in this regard and equipped the device with a 7500 mAh battery. On a charge, the handset is likely to run for 2 to 4 days. Also, the smartphone is said to provide 22 hours of music, 16 hours of video playback, and 16 hours of gaming. In addition to that, the Hotwav T5 Pro rugged phone captures a fingerprint scanner, GPS, GLONASS, outdoor kit, waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof certification, 4G network support, Bluetooth Wisconsin 5, and several other high-end specifications. Overall, the Hotwav T5 Pro rugged device is a great development for adventurers who eye unforgettable outdoor camping and touring with smart technologies in their pocket. Initially, the company launched the 4G rugged smartphone on AliExpress with a heavily discounted price tag, against the retail price of $109. Do you think the new budget rugged smartphone is worth your attention? Write your opinion in the comments. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.